Hi my nail nesties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lou and I hope you're all chickety boo today. Hello my chickens, before I start I want to thank the lovely Wendy from Melodysusie for kindly sending over me these gel nail polish set, plant-based. There's 10 of them and it's the Halloween set. They're all 10ml of these and they've got the sweet scent, plant-based, TPO free, HEMA free and HPMA free. You always get this little thank you card which I think's dead sweet. There's also the product catalogue that you get in their little package as well, and the stickers, and in the product catalogue they've got different colours and there's some that they say is coming out soon as well, and there's other products that they have that it shows in there. Those are the lovely stickers that will be going to my Fletcher. So let's get this box open, shall we? So I do know in this set that they do have a black and a white, and I do already have a black and a white Melodysusie in this plant-based range. And they also have a lovely lilac in here, which is quite surprising. A couple of shades of greens and reds and a yellow as well, and obviously the orange, which you would expect to have in here as well. But yeah, let's get these out then. I will show you on the underside of the lid of this box. It does have some information there. So you've got the email address for Melodysusie and the website address. So obviously they're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram as well, and the details are there for that. So my chickens, I'm going to use these stiletto tips that I've got out. They're all the same size. So I'm going to do all 10 colours for this set. So there'll be 10 nail tips, and each one is going to have a really simple Halloween design on it. Now I have base coated these tips as well in preparation, so let's just go ahead. I don't you choose it in any particular order. I just get painting them and doing their designs on them. So I will probably put a bit of music on, guys, and just let you listen to it and see the beautiful colours that there are in this set and the little bits of designs that I do on there. So I hope you enjoy it, guys, and I'll be back with you soon. I might pop in now and again, but yeah, hope you enjoy it.
beneath the neon lights. Whispers echo on this haunted night. Lost souls move to the rhythm unseen. Join the party, it's a Halloween dream. Happy Halloween, let's lose control. Under the moonlight, we own the night. Feel the bass deep within your soul. Tonight we rise, creatures of the night. And secret desires, ghosts and goblins through all the fires. Electric pulses in the night air. Step into the dark if you dare. Happy Halloween, let's lose control. Under the moonlight, we own the night. Feel the bass deep within your soul. Tonight we rise, creatures of the night. When the clock strikes 12, we come alive. In this endless dance, we all survive. Let the music be your guide, till the dawn will stay in stride. Wicked laughter fills the crowded room. Spellbound dancers under a witch's moon. Every heartbeat syncs with the beat. In this realm where nightmares meet. Happy Halloween, let's lose control. Under the moonlight, we own the night. Feel the bass deep within your soul. Tonight we rise, creatures of the night. Creatures of the night. As the sun creeps up, the shadows fade. We retreat until the next parade. But the memory lingers in the light, till we reunite, creatures of the night.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween. La 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 la. Hey, it's a beautiful night. It's a beautiful night. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Give me something good to eat. La 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 la. This is Halloween. Hey, it's a beautiful night. It's a beautiful night. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Give me something good to eat. La 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 la. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Let the curtains roll. Ghosts and goblins, spooks galore. Scary witches at your door. Creep it real, la 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 la. Creep it real, la 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 la. This is Halloween. Ghosts and goblins, spooks galore. Scary witches at your door. Creep it
chickens, there we have it. Each of the colours used there, and then obviously the colours used for different designs as well. So we've got the bats, the ghosts, fire, webs, cat scratches, Frankenstein, stitching, the blood, cat's eyes, a few different things going on. So I just thought I'd show you something really simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it, to be honest, because I'm no artist at all. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell as well if you want to get notified of future videos. Thank you to all my current subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much, and my lovely members as well of the club. I appreciate you guys as well, honestly. It's just amazing, is this journey. It's difficult sometimes, but it's amazing. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Please take care, and if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.